Okay, we've got this Vornado fan. You can compare this to a size 10 shoe. It's pretty small, but it's like a little bigger than some of those mini fans that you might have seen, which I think is really nice because it's just more powerful as well. We got this fan because in this room has an AC vent, but we've had it checked by a bunch of people and it just doesn't seem to push the air out. So it gets like blistering hot in this room if we want the bedroom door to be closed. So even if it's open, it doesn't make the room as cool as the rest of the house. So we found that it's pretty key to have a fan here. Now the other fan that was here is being utilized elsewhere and was kind of too small. So we got this fan, and so we just kind of leave it like this at nighttime, and it works really well. So you just have these power buttons here. That's the highest level. Down, 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 high again. So those are really responsive touch buttons, and then you have this kind of turn wheel on the side that lets you adjust the angle a lot, but you can honestly adjust it without loosening this. So you just kind of tighten that down, and then you've got this tilt functionality. So it's not oscillating or anything, but the stand is actually kind of nice and modern. It feels really sturdy. The fan feels really sturdy. This is, I mean, this is plastic. Even this, I think, is pretending to be metal. So this is just all plastic, but it feels sturdy, feels good. And the cord is pretty long. All the way back here. I don't have my measuring tape, but yeah, works well. Tilt it like that. Yeah. Can confirm this thing's gonna blow some air around for you.